Hi, today we'd like to talk to you a little bit about the new Biden administration and what we see coming in 2021. Doug, to get us started, what do you see as some key areas of emphasis for the Biden administration?
Well, the Biden administration will want to work with the Republicans, and so they're going to promote things that the Republicans can get on board with. So the key areas that we see happening are infrastructure, clean energy, healthcare, and we don't see any tax increase because one, the economy can't support it, and two, it'll be very unpopular with the Republicans.
Mm-hmm. Is there a way as investors that we can take advantage of these areas of emphasis?
Most certainly is. There's a lot of mutual funds and exchange traded funds that we can help clients find. We also know individual stocks that will take advantage of these different areas of emphasis that will be have economic impact, positive impact.
Mm-hmm. What are some of the current economic factors that you see impacting us in 2021?
Well, there's a bunch of economic factors that have been affecting us in 2020 and will continue into 2021. One, the Fed has said that they're going to keep interest rates near zero or very low, which they've been doing, and that's going to continue to grow the money supply. Last year we saw the money supply grow at 26%. Now the high money supply also devaluates the dollar. We saw the dollar go down 7%, and the other, which could also lead to inflation. So there's a possibility that we could start seeing inflation sometime in 2021. And then the other thing we should look at is oil. Oil has been very volatile. We think it will continue to be volatile, but we may have seen the highs for the oil prices back in 2018, and that we may never see, $100 a barrel oil again.
Wow. Are there also ways that we can use this knowledge to help us invest?
There's a bunch of ways we can take advantages. And again, if clients want to give us a call, we can explain exchange traded funds, mutual funds, and stocks that will take advantage of the economic situations.
So what are our overall projections for 2021 as far as the economic climate goes?
Well, like we've said in earlier videos, we're very positive on 2021. We think the V-shaped recovery will continue into the year. We think the stock market will go up 15 to 25%.
Wow.
But there's also that high risk of inflation, so you have to be ready for that. And I should mention, we're also concerned about bonds, especially long-term bonds. We could see long-term interest rates start moving up. The Fed doesn't have control over that, and that could mean losses to principal for clients who are invested in bonds. And then finally, the other thing I think we need to be aware of is there's a high risk that somewhere in this year we're going to see a major downturn in the market. We don't see it a long-term downturn, but it's definitely a possibility, and people need to be ready for that downturn.
So it sounds like we may be experiencing some volatility this year, but overall 2021 is looking good.
Yeah, it's one of the best years I can ever remember in all my years as a financial advisor. It's really, we're set up for a really good year.
Well, that's exciting.
Should be good.
So as always, if you would like more information about anything we discussed here today or some ideas for your own financial strategy, please give us a call.